Hello guys, good morning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Dava. You can call me Dava from English class. Today, I will explore about my hometown, Semarang City. So, let's see about my hometown. In the 15th century, Chinese Emperor emissary Zheng He, otherwise known as Admiral Cheng Hu, set foot on Java. From the 17th century onwards, Semarang became an entrepot for spices, also a busy harbor for trade and passengers when travel was made predominantly by sea. The city of Semarang, capital of the province of Central Java, sits precisely in the center of the northern seaboard of the fertile and densely populated island of Java. The strategic position of Semarang has made the city a melting pot of Chinese, Indian, Arab, and European culture. Wander around the Chinese quarters and the Dutch commercial district, you will see the influences of different culture everywhere. In the older part of the city near harbor named Kota Lama, or the outstate stroll around to explore the historic old buildings in what was once the European commercial district. The most renowned landmark to see here is the Koepelkerk of Pantheon-style church, locally known as Gereja Blendu, as a copper dome Dutch church dating from 1753. Don't forget to visit Gedung Batu, where stands the old Chinese temple and the recently erected statue of Admiral Cheng Hu. Another tourist game you should consider when you visit Semarang is Brown Canyon, located in Rawasari. This landmark showcases its majestic sandy brown cliffs with greenery spread throughout the area. The Brown Canyon's panoramic scenery has brought attention among professional and amateur photographers as it offers similar nuance as the Grand Canyon in America. Though originally created for mining, this site has naturally eroded throughout the years, creating a unique structure. Those who are interested to visit this site should consider exploring during the weekend, as it will be filled with workers during work days. After venturing the city's attraction, one thing that you definitely must try in Semarang's Chinatown is the famous lumpia Semarang. A lot of people say that Gang Lombok has the best lumpia in the entire city. For a complete culinary experience, the Pasar Semawis Culinary Center in Gang Warung is truly a must. Most of the food here is different to what you'll find elsewhere. Here, a number of stalls sell mouth-watering dishes with pork in them, a rarity anywhere on Java. In Semarang, taxi is everywhere. Small buses are visible going by the city streets. They go to different parts of the city. You might want to ask the locals before taking one of those city buses. Beca of rickshaw is a pleasant choice to feel the breeze in Semarang while you enjoy the city scenes. When visiting Kota Lama, take one of those becaks and enjoy the relaxing ride. Semarang is accessible by air and land. Its strategic location does not make it so difficult to get there. Many domestic airlines fly to Semarang from Jakarta and Surabaya. From Jakarta, Bandung, Surabaya, and Malang, trains are available as well as buses and rented cars. Going to Yogyakarta and Solo, buses are available. The train station in Semarang is called Station Tawang. It is located right at the northern side of the Kota Lama. Bus station in Terboyo, which serve intercity buses. Cruises depart or visit Semarang from the port of Tanjung Mas. Taking a cruise is a great way to take in the attraction of Central Java at relaxed pace. International cruise liners also stopped in Semarang, using it as a base to visit various attractions in the region, including Borobudur and Prambanan. Semarang is the capital and largest city of Central Java province in Indonesia, a major port during the Dutch colonial era and still an important regional center and port today. The city has been named as the cleanest tourist destination in Southeast Asia by the ASEAN Clean Tourist City Standard. The population of this city is approximately 1.8 million people, making it Indonesia's seventh most populous city, after Jakarta, Surabaya, Bandung, Bekasi, Medan, and Tangerang. The built-up urban area had the Semarang metropolitan area has a population of close to 6 million. The population of the city is predominantly Javanese with significant Chinese presence. Semarang has landmark and places of interest like Semarang Old Town, Kota Lama, which is sometimes referred to by a local as Little Netherlands. It was established in the 18th century when Indonesia was a Dutch colony. There are more than 50 well-maintained colonial building in Kota Lama, displaying 18th, 19th, and 20th century European influenced architecture. And then Chinatown. Chinatown is Semarang has a night market known as a Pasar Semawis, which is known for its cuisine and Chinese New Year celebration. Tugu Muda is a monument built to commemorate the services of the heroes who have fallen in the Battle of 5 Days in Semarang. Tugu Muda is located in front of Lawang Sewu at Pemuda Street. It depicts Tugu Muda fighting spirit and patriotism of Semarang residents, especially the youth who are persistent. Lawang Sewu was built as the headquarters of the Dutch East Indies Railway Company. The colonial era building is reputedly a haunted house. Glenduk Church was built in 1753. The church is one of the oldest buildings in Kota Lama. The Sampokong Temple is the oldest Chinese temple in the city. Okay, that's my hometown video. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.